Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase account. Start by opening the official Coinbase website or app and tap Sign Up. Enter a valid email, choose a strong password, and confirm the email address sent to you. Next, provide your full legal name and date of birth, and complete identity verification with a government ID and a selfie to unlock fiat and crypto features. To fund your Coinbase account, link a bank account or debit card depending on your needs. For low-cost transfers, add your bank account and complete microdeposits or instant link when offered. For immediate purchases, connect a debit card but expect higher fees. For large transfers, consider a wire transfer and confirm your bank details carefully to avoid delays or holds when moving significant amounts of fiat into your account. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to keep floors tidy while you focus on setup steps. It is a fun convenience for anyone balancing tasks and learning new platforms. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you buy crypto, pick the asset, enter the dollar amount, and review fees before confirming the trade. Use recurring buys to dollar cost average and set price alerts to monitor market moves. For enhanced security, withdraw significant holdings to a hardware wallet you control and keep smaller balances in the app for trading. Regularly update passwords and enable two-factor authentication to reduce account risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.